I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to unlock your earnings on the Uber Eats app, follow these steps to get back on track. Step 1. Open the Uber Eats app. Launch the app on your device. Make sure you are logged in with your driver account. Step 2. Navigate to the Earnings section. Tap on the Earnings tab located at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can view your earnings summary. Step 3. Check for pending earnings. Look for any pending earnings that may need to be unlocked. Sometimes, earnings are held due to verification issues. Step 4. Resolve any issues. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Refresh your earnings. After resolving any issues, refresh the earnings page by pulling down on the screen. This should update your earnings status. Remember, if you encounter a specific issue, like a missing document, it can delay unlocking your earnings. Just keep an eye on the notifications in the app. I hope this helps you get your earnings unlocked quickly.